how plants prepare their food. Plants prepare their food through photosynthesis. We're also going to find some answers for interesting questions. First question, do all plants prepare their food through photosynthesis? Question number 2, do only plants prepare their food through photosynthesis? Come, let's find the answers one by one. We should understand what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare its food with the help of sunlight. Plants get water and minerals from the soil. Plants get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata, a tiny microscopic opening in the leaf. The plant has green color pigment present in the leaf called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Minerals, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight gives us sugar and oxygen. This sugar is converted into energy. This is how a plant prepares its food through photosynthesis. Come, let's answer the questions which I asked you before. First question, do all plants prepare food through photosynthesis? Many of us must have thought the answer is yes. But the answer is no. There are 3 types of plants. First type, it has chlorophyll and prepares its own food. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Second type, it prepares its own food through photosynthesis, but it's not self-sufficient. So it takes additional support. Some plants absorb nutrients and water from other plants. Example, money plant. Some plants lack certain nutrients like nitrogen. So they get from trapping other insects. They are carnivorous plants. Example, pitcher plant. Third type of plants does not have chlorophyll. They don't perform photosynthesis. Totally depend on other plants. Example, Rafflesia. It's the largest flower. Question number 2. Do only plants prepare their food through photosynthesis? Again, the answer is no. Other plants, algae and cyanobacteria has chlorophyll. They also prepare their food by themselves by photosynthesis. Bye friends. Kindly subscribe to my channel for new and interesting facts.